my channel. My name is Pulkit. Now I've been wanting to do a day in my life video for so long, but before this I've been living in a PG where it was very difficult to do that. But now because I have a space of my own, a place of my own, I am going to do this more often. So today is a Sunday and today I'm going to have a very lazy, very chill day. So I thought it would be a great way to start the series of a day in my life videos. Just woken up and I haven't had my tea yet, so I'm still feeling very hazy. I'm just gonna go make a mast adrak wali chai, and I think after that my brain will actually start working. So I will see what is up for the day. We'll plan the day, but for right now we need a chai, so let's go make chai. Now that I'm done with my basics of the day, I'm gonna go take a course that I'm taking up on program management and project management on Coursera. So I'm gonna go take that, and once I'm done with that, I'll probably watch a movie, and then towards the evening we plan to go to IKEA as well. So we'll be going to IKEA, and I'm gonna take you all along with me, of course. But for now, I'm gonna go get some studying done. So let's go get that done.
You said I could be anything. I said I would be someone who's with you. Said I could call you anytime.
Now that I'm done with my program management ka course, I am done with watching the movie, and I am done with the basic nitty-gritties of the day. I am gonna go to IKEA, like I said. Abhi 6 baj rahe hain, and I have convinced all of my friends to come to IKEA again. हम 2 हफ्ते पहले ही IKEA गए थे, and we're going to IKEA again. I just cannot get enough of IKEA, even though it's very exhausting, and I don't have anything in mind that I want to buy from IKEA because we recently bought stuff from IKEA. But yeah, irrespective of that, I'm gonna go there, and I'm gonna show you IKEA one more time, but of course from a different angle and a different lens. So let's get going. Anand told me कि यहाँ फोटो बहुत अच्छी आ रही है, so I'm just sitting at the spot, and actually the video is coming actually nice. मतलब I like the entire angle. I am sitting in the kids section. I am थोड़ा सा tired obviously, but then मेरे को IKEA आना हमेशा अच्छा लगता है. मैं भी 2 हफ्ते पहले आया था, and I'm again here. I can just come here and just chill and just walk around, and it's also kind of like a manifestation experience for me. I just manifest a lot of things that I want to have, that I want to own, and it's super 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 surreal and super celestial for me. I am just here to sort of chill and probably get एक दो desk का सामान, but that's all. But I will show all of that to people, so stay tuned for that. तो देखते हैं ना, दिल इस पे आ गया था, like ये कितना खूबसूरत है. This is so pretty. I saw this super super cool thing here. Like ये देखो, this changes colors to 490. It's a super cool addition to your, minimal place में थोड़ा सा funky करना हो तो this is a very cool addition. Whoever grew up watching Hollywood, the classic Hollywood mirrors, that's so amazing. Like look at the entire setting. This looks super super cool here. My sister would just see this and just fall in love with this entire setup. This is super aesthetic, super cool, super classy. कितना सुंदर है. This is so pretty. The price is also, for 10,990, and I think it's such a great deal. White mein hai, and I think the beige one is for 11,000. But of course, my heart goes for the white ones. White one is super pretty. And यहाँ पे you have like a lot of other, table जैसा, desk जैसा setup. This is super cool. That one is like very pretty. This one is for 32,990, but I think it's worth it because it's super pretty and super, बहुत spacious भी है ये वाला. ये तो मुझे काफ़ी विक्टोरियन फील दे रहा है. For 31,990. Oh my god, red shade and then wardrobe. Again, a beautiful wardrobe. Like, I would say this is the wardrobe of my dreams. Let me check the price of this one real quick. Okay, so the entire set I feel is of 1.62 lakhs, which I feel for the entire wardrobe looks like a fair deal. Just found some aesthetic straws. Like, look at the aesthetic hai. This is for 629. Sundar se glasses. Like, oh my god.
All these glasses, but she still chose to break my heart.
Okay, so we have a coat here. Reminds me of a Hedwig, the Harry Potter wala owl. This is so cute. Decided कि आपको कौन सा मॉडल लेना है. You just have to come and pick the model number from here, which कभी-कभी seems like a task, but then yeah, this is how it is. So.
You said I could be anything. I said I would be someone who's with you.
Okay guys, so I am back from IKEA and of course I'm super exhausted, super tired. I knew it would of course happen. You cannot go to IKEA and not get tired. Not complaining for sure because I will keep going to IKEA every now and then. I just love it. We didn't buy a lot of stuff. I didn't buy anything for myself per se because I had gotten everything I wanted. But like a couple of my friends had to buy some stuff, so they did buy some stuff. मेरे को अपने लिए कुछ लेना नहीं था, so we just went there, did some sightseeing at IKEA, if you may call that, and I just love to discover a lot of different, furnitures and aesthetics and all of that. I just love going to IKEA, and one of food I like, mango flavored cheesecake that I absolutely love at IKEA. We didn't go anywhere else. We just straight away came home. Everyone was super exhausted. I am super tired. So right now I'm gonna do nothing else. I'm just gonna do some of my basic skincare, थोड़ा सा journaling, थोड़ी सी bedtime reading, and then I will straight away sleep because I am exhausted. Like I'm super exhausted. So I'm just gonna go sleep now. So now that I'm done with my skincare, I'm done with my journaling, and I'm also done with my reading, I'm gonna go sleep now because I'm super exhausted and excruciated. I've had a lovely day. Usually my weekends are this fun. On weekends I just don't relax as much as I should. I relax of course, but then I also go out and just have fun with my friends. I just love going out on weekends. So that's why I'm like super exhausted right now. But I also made sure that I had some me time where I did my skincare, I did my reading, I did my journaling. So now all that's done, I'm feeling very, very mindful, I'm feeling very calm and composed, so I'm just gonna go to sleep. And yeah, that was all for this particular video. Let me know how did you like it. I'm gonna film more of these videos. I'm gonna film a day in my life videos more often. I love filming these kind of videos, so let me know how did you like it, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care, keep reading and keep having fun. I will see you in the next one.